I mean, baddest thing. Yo, them niggas don't even know my head. I'm gonna say it easy on this one. Them feel no. You say it.
Yo, what's up? This is your boy Adrian Cavallo, aka DJ Seductive, representing the Love Life Songs crew. Love Life Songs was founded in 2007-2008 by Jove Paris, straight out of Brooklyn. Since I was, 13, 14 around there. What inspired me to be a DJ? My uncle, he's a DJ for a long time, and as in looking on and helping him with the equipment, you know, lifting up these speakers and turntables and whatnot. I mean, he just inspired me to be a DJ. The future for Love Life Songs, wow! I have so many things in plan for Love Life Songs. Love Life Songs, we can reach as far as doing equipment rental, and even active personality and Urban Vibes Network coming soon. Alright, big shout out to Love Life Songs in Brooklyn, right? DJ Gigs, DJ Ghost, Money Mike, DJ Dread, and of course my brother Jove Paris, right, for making things possible here in Trinidad, right? All the large up for the self, alright? Urban Vibes Network, don't know, alright? We're coming soon. This is how we do it.